Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a short essay on the Ask AI chat and get answers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page, and in the middle of the screen you can find this create a short essay on any topic button, so tap on it. And here you can see the preset message or instruction. In this case, it's an essay on the glycemic index, but you can delete this part and type in your own topic about which you would like to generate a short essay. So type it in. And tap on the send button on the right side below the text, and in a few seconds you will be able to see your short essay generated. So here you can see the creation of the short essay word by word. So you should wait a few seconds, or within a minute you will be able to see the whole essay that's shorter than 400 characters, but you can also set the word count when you before sending the message itself. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.